So you have your chip already in the computer. Here I have my chip already. Where are my photos? I'm just going to select a few of them. I'm going to click and drag the ones I want. And I'm going to put it inside. Oh, I'm sorry. I got to create a folder first. So first you click on the background. Go to the top, File, New Folder. And then I'm going to call it My Photos. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my chip. My SD card, which is on the side. I'm going to select a few pictures and then put those. Where did that photo folder go? Oh, there it is. So I'm going to put it right there. Oh, it keeps going back. So I'm going to double click that, open it, click on the photos that I selected, and drag them over. All right. And then I'm going to my Google Drive. I'm going to create a folder in my Google Drive, new folder. And call it My Photos, just like that. Click Create, and it's making the folder. There it is. Double click it, and now I'm going to go ahead and add those files. Click New, the blue one, New, File, Upload, and I'm going to that folder where I put all my pictures on. It's on my desktop. Let me go to my desktop here. Desktop, there they are. My Photos, there they are. So I'm going to click and drag them and then click open, and now all my photos are uploading and it shows right there. Very important to do this, to place all your photos inside your photos in your Google Drive. Okay, now it says 2 hours, and don't be scared of that. That's going to diminish down to maybe dwindle down to probably more like 4 or 5 minutes. So right now, because the server is going through so many things right now at the end of school. Oh, there it is. See, it keeps going down and down, so don't worry about that.